Are you really bored of your lockdown wardrobe?
Sick and tired of the same old sweatpants?
Then it's time for a spring makeover.
In this video, we've got lots of inspiration for how to style your memade wardrobe for spring. Hi everyone!
Hi!
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Rachel.
I'm Nikki and we're the Stitch Sisters and we're back!
We're back in the same space, although socially distanced and
Yes.
outside.
Outside. We're very, very healthy. It's all okay.
So we've had a wonderful day today in each other's gardens.
Yes.
So we're in my garden right now. We spent most of the day in Nikki's garden because we're finally allowed.
Yes.
And what better way to celebrate the fact that we're allowed to be together outside again than trying on some outfits.
Yes. Well, we thought it would be a really good way of getting used to our memade wardrobe again.
Yeah.
Getting out of the joggers and getting out of your pajama bottoms.
Yeah.
Rediscovering your wardrobe. And the idea we came up with is that we would merge both of our wardrobes
Yeah.
into one ginormous, colourful wardrobe and just have a massive try-on session.
Absolutely, and I can't tell you how happy it made me just to see the rail.
Yes.
Because I've got a lot of colour in my wardrobe, you've got a lot of colour in your wardrobe. When you put it together, it's such a burst
Yeah.
that I just was like, oh, I just was happy standing there looking at it.
Stroking her hands down it
Yes,
all day.
Exactly. And I cannot tell you what a boost it's been.
Yes.
It's been one of the most fun days that I've had in ages.
I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning unable to sleep with excitement just because it is the most fun I've had in a year.
Yes, exactly. So basically all we did is we put all of our clothes together. The only rule we gave ourselves was that we would predominantly favour handmade, me-made. There are
Yep.
a few ready to wear or thrifted things in there, but
Yep.
only to help complete the looks.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't have any idea where to start. We
Yep.
didn't have any kind of sort of plan or anything
No.
for putting outfits together. All we did was think we'd do some more casual looks and then we'll do some more dressy ones.
Slightly
A bit more
dressier.
as if we were
Yeah.
going out somewhere, going out to, well, things we might be allowed to do this spring. So going out to a meal for a restaurant,
could go-
restaurant for a meal.
We could go for a coffee.
I know.
Who knew that could just be so exciting?
Exactly. So I hope you're picking up on how excited we are that we finally get to be together again, but also just how ready we are now. We're so tired of the sweatpants and the
Yeah.
casual. I mean, I've got them on now, but they're
But
styled a
it's-
bit differently.
It's glam styling this time.
And just to feel like a normal person again,
Yeah.
and to kind of rediscover the power of wearing colour, wearing handmade.
Yeah.
It's such an empowering thing to
It is.
kind of have that injection of personality.
Yeah. But
Um,
also, I haven't spent the whole day with you
I
for
know.
over a year.
I know, it's been so lovely.
And I'm slightly exhausted, but but it has been
What are you
really, really
saying?
good fun. Maybe we need to ease in gently. I need to go and have a lie down. But it's been so much fun.
It has been. It's been wonderful.
And we came up with some really fun and interesting combinations.
Yeah.
That we both kind of went, oh, I wouldn't have put those things
Yeah,
together from each
exactly.
other's wardrobes as well.
Yeah, and we had so much fun just, saying to each other, oh, what do you think? Would this jacket look good? And say, oh, maybe try that one instead.
Yeah,
And
put that necklace with it. Yeah, that's
yeah,
right.
so what you see in these outfits coming up are very much a collaboration. So, there were things that we were quite certain about, and there were other things that we kind of wanted a second opinion on.
Yeah.
And I loved wearing some of Nikki's handmaids and seeing you in mine.
Some that you've not even seen during
Yeah,
lockdown as
exactly.
well. So,
And there were certain things that I was dying to try on that I wanted to know whether they would fit me, whether they'd
Yeah.
suit me, all those kind of
the
things.
bob pants were one of the first that you went for. So
I'm making bob pants this weekend, I guarantee. Multiple pairs, yes, exactly. And you managed to discover that you do love neon yellow, and it does suit you.
and it does suit me.
And you've
So,
got it on now.
I've got it on now. I thought I did buy this. It's just a ready to wear t-shirt, but I thought if I teamed it with pink and I could wear it that way. But there is some head to toe neon coming.
Yes.
So be warned.
Yeah.
But it's worth it, I promise.
Absolutely. So without further ado,
Let's head
look
on
at some
in.
outfits. We'll do a little voiceover telling you what everything is, what the patterns are, and all that kind of stuff.
Everything will be linked below as well. Anything that we remember about fabrics and the patterns and anything that's ready to wear that we can still link to, we'll do all of that as well. So we hope it gives you lots of making inspiration, but also styling inspiration for coming out of your joggers and throwing away those pajama bottoms once and for all. Let's get dressed and let's have some fun.
So this first outfit is my street style bomber jacket that I made in some quilted patchwork fabrics, and I'm wearing it with your trousers.
My trousers?
Yes.
My bob pants. These are lovely bob pants from Style Arc, made in a lovely crisp linen, so you get that really structured look.
And with that, I've got a t-shirt that I actually copied off of one that I bought from Zara, a ready to wear one. If you'd like a video on how to copy ready to wear t-shirts, make sure you comment below and let us know. And then I put on my Adidas Trainers, one that I have in many colours. And I've got my cute little mini yellow leather rucksack, which is good for all your little bits and bobs. And I've got on one of my favourite pairs of shades.
It looks like a really comfy outfit, but really colourful and really stylish too. Me wearing lemon yellow head to toe.
Neon yellow, no less. And I recognise that suit.
You do. It's one of yours. It's the Ilford jacket and the Dawn jeans.
That's right.
And I've teamed it with a green t-shirt that I just bought. It's just a ready to wear one. And some of my newest Adidas trainers that make me look like I'm going bowling. But I love all the colours.
I love how your t-shirt choices really popped. That made the buttons pop, really drawn out the green.
Never thought this colour would suit me, but it just shows you that you need to try things on and have it actually against your skin to see how it feels.
And I love your necklace too.
Thank you. It's from an Etsy seller that I found over Christmas called Frilly Ind, and she makes them in all kinds of colours, and in fact you can select your own to have the perfect one for your outfit.
Aww. So this riot of colour, actually only the trousers are memade, and they are your Portobello trousers.
They are.
Made in a fuchsia pink ponte.
Everybody needs a pair of fuchsia pink pants.
They
That's
do.
all I'm saying.
I just love how comfy they are. I mean, I love how this kind of look makes you look smart, but really you're just in trackies.
Yeah.
And I stole your neon t-shirt, which is just a ready to wear,
Yeah.
and a mint green jacket that I've got from the charity shop. So the only memade is the trousers, but I just love that it's totally casual but looks quite elevated.
It does, and I love the colour combination. And it's teamed with that necklace, which is just a charity shop one that I bought, but it's got all the colours in it. So no matter what t-shirt colour you wore, you could wear it with that necklace. This next outfit is one of those that's elevated but still really comfy. And their trousers are ready to wear. So I bought them recently. They're jean joggers and they're really comfy. But I've teamed it with my Dawson Coatigan, which I've just finished. And I've teamed it with this lovely top, which is actually the Carolyn Pajama top from Closet Core Patterns.
I love it in that snake print. You'd never know it was pajama tops. Really cool.
It's really nice, but I really like the kind of the mixture of the textures and all the same kind of shades. But again, it's really comfy. And again, just teamed with a pair of trainers.
Yeah, I would never have thought to put that pink and coral together, but they just really, really work. Really nice colour combination.
I look like an ice cream, which is a good thing.
Always a good thing. Speaking of ice cream colours, I look like I'm off to work in an ice cream shop.
It's gorgeous. Look at that riot colour.
I know, these are my bubblegum pink Stitch Sisters DIY Dungas. It's a tongue twister. And I stole your Fibre Mood Norma blouse. Is that what it is?
You did, yes. And it's made up in this gorgeous buttery yellow chambray.
Oh, it's just lovely. And I love those two colours together because it reminds me of sherbet.
Yes.
Of Refresher sweets.
Ice lollies.
Yes. And I styled it with one of your lovely Layla Amber necklaces. We've both got a couple. My basket bag from last summer and a pair of rose gold and cream trainers.
I love the colours in this outfit. It's our Stitch Sisters lounge pants teamed with a ready to wear t-shirt. That lemon yellow one's already had quite a good lot of wearing. And it's your orange juice Amsterdam blazer, which is your linen one.
That's right. It's a coral linen cotton blend. You made a bright yellow one that comes up later.
Yes. Teamed it with, I've got an ice cream necklace that I wore to a party a few years ago, and just with a little straw bag. But I think think the blazer really makes it a little bit more smart, but teamed with trainers, so I'm ready for anything.
Yeah, I mean, it's amazing, isn't it, that you can take a basic t-shirt and a pair of sweatpants, add a blazer, and you get a completely different look. You don't look like you're going to veg on the sofa. You look like you're out for the day.
Yeah, exactly. But I think taking it in this soft pink colour for the joggers really make them look special.
I think I was channeling the serpent in this one, and I think I'm backpacking around Thailand or something in the 70s.
You're a French exchange student.
Yes, exactly. So I've got on a pair of wide leg jeans that I adapted from a simplicity pattern a few years ago. They're a little bit on the snug side, which is why you can see my zipper pull sticking out. And then we made disco collar polo necks, polo shirts last year. And this is mine in a blue.
I love this outfit. It's just so cool. And especially with the big 70s shades and the trainers. This is definitely a weekend outfit, isn't it?
It is.
Screaming relaxation.
And the bob pants are back.
The bob pants. We love a bob pant. In fact, it's style arc head to toe because I've teamed my bob pants with the Lauren boyfriend shirt that I made during lockdown and hacked, as you can see, into lots of different shapes. So I loved the fact that it was patchwork. It was a little bit different. I love the big cuffs as well.
Yeah.
And I really love this outfit.
It could not look more relaxed and comfy. And this is, I loved all of your outfits, but this is one of the ones where I just thought, oh yeah, I'm putting that one on at some point. And I just love that simple white trainers, white t-shirt, and then you really notice the other two items.
Yeah, and wearing it open like that really kind of shows off how the relaxed style of it. And here I'm showing you all the patchwork on the back, which has simply just cut the pieces into different chunks or allocated different fabrics to different parts.
Yeah.
But it's a really cool shirt.
Really cool. So you can see that I managed to get one half of my neon suits back from you. This is my neon yellow Ilford jacket. But this time I've put it with an old pair of Megan Nielsen Flint pants that are just made in a 4-ounce denim. I just really like the two together. It's a different kind of silhouette, still a wide leg trouser, but an even more relaxed version.
It's really nice because it almost calms down the lemon or the neon of the jacket, that kind of pale blue. It kind of just tones it down a little bit, but I really like the pair teamed together.
Yes, exactly. And I went for the white t-shirt, white trainer combo as well.
Yeah.
But just picked a green bag to kind of match the buttons and a chunky chain necklace.
You look like you're ready for lunch.
I am. I'm having a dance.
Now this last video comes with a warning.
Excited.
I think I'd lost the plot by this point. I don't know what's going on.
I've been saying to people for ages that putting on our Stitches as Dungas makes you happy, but I didn't know they made you that happy.
These are your dungarees that you made from a bedsheet, and I've always loved them. Look at the size of the pocket. It's amazing. Where have they gone? I've clearly lost the plot.
This was the final outfit of the day, to be fair.
Yes.
But what styling does it need? Dungas t-shirt trainers.
Yeah,
Done.
that's it. Done. Big pair of shades. I'm ready to go. Let's do some twerking.
So did you enjoy that? Did it feel like a bit of normality to see normal clothes? And it did for us.
And for us to be together as well.
Yes, it's been so much fun. And I know that for you guys who are living in parts of the world like, Australia, New Zealand, where things are still relatively normal, you may be thinking, hey, what's the big deal? But you have no idea how kind of, like, literally I have lived in sweatpants and sweatshirts.
Yeah, sweatshirts and jeans for me. Yeah, basically how I was at the beginning before we clicked.
Yeah.
That's how we turned up looking at each other this morning before we actually got ready and everything like that. So that's the reality of the Stitch Sisters day to day during lockdown.
It certainly is.
It's not all glamour.
No, it's not. But then I think it's good for people to know that just because you can be a bit dressed up and glamorous, you don't have to be.
No.
And there is a time and a place, and I think we've all discovered that there is a time and a place for comfort for sure this
Absolutely.
last year.
But comfort and colour now. I still want comfort going forward.
Yes.
I'm not ready for high heels or anything like that yet, but I'm certainly ready for colour, and I'm certainly ready for anything that's me made, and just rediscovering my made wardrobe as well. So.
Absolutely. And we would love to get your feedback if this has inspired you to go and try on some of your me mades, try return some of the things that you've not worn for ages, have a little fashion show of your own, and just try and fall back in love with your wardrobe.
Yeah.
If there are particular outfits that you loved, do let us know in the comments below. But please keep it positive. We don't need to know if something doesn't quite suit us or looked better on the other one or anything like that. Just keep it positive. If you've got something nice to say, we'd love to hear it.
Yes. So anyway, we hope you enjoyed that, but there's another one coming. We've just done the casual. You've still got the dressed up version to come.
So we'll catch you in the next video.
Bye!
Bye!
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and why not subscribe to our channel?
And make sure you head over to our website where you can check out our range of online classes. But whatever you do today, make sure you do something to make yourself happy.